Welcome to Dr. JALIL Photography. You can see a lens on this camera. This lens is Lava 15mm ultra wide angle lens, 1:1 macro lens. This is in my possession for last couple of weeks. I have been doing a lot of experiments with this lens. I have done some macro photography, I have done street photography, and I have already uploaded several videos on my channel. Now, after all this experience, let me express my opinion about this lens. This is not a lens review. I am not going to make a lens review. I'll be telling you my experience on this lens. First, about macro photography. This one is 15mm, so you will understand the subject has to be very close to the lens. The spec of this lens tells about 10mm distance for 1:1 macro photography. That means I need to put the subject very close to the lens. Now, if I want to do macro photography at 1:1, it has to be very close. If I put it further away, tiny subject like a beetle, like a spider is so small, so tiny, it's very difficult to focus. For focusing, I use normally focus picking on the camera. So it is not that difficult for focusing. But the major problem of this lens is light. I have tried with a flashlight, go to 350 on top of it with a radiant diffuser, but I was not happy about the sufficient light near to this lens, where the flash goes straight. Now what I have done, I have made a ring light, DIY ring light. For this macro photography with this lens, I have made a ring light for this lens. You can see this runs on USB. Let me show you. Yeah. This runs on USB, so this is nice, very smooth diffuser, and I put a diffuser, white color diffuser, on the ring light and also inside. So this gives a very beautiful, excellent diffuse light just in front of my lens. I've done a photo shoot of a jewel bag which I have already uploaded my video on this channel. If you are interested, please watch the earlier video with this ring light. I'll give the link below. So this became a very handy, and now it is very easy for doing macro photography with sufficient light using this one. If you are interested to make yourself how to make ring light, please comment in my inbox. I'll be making another video on the making process of this DIY ring light. This is very easy, very simple, and if we talk about the cost, less than $10. If you have enough money, you can buy a ring light in Amazon or any other store, but I prefer to make my own with very little expenses. So I am very happy about this ring light, which is very easy to fit on this camera. So if you are interested, I will show you in my future upcoming video. If you are already a subscriber in my channel, thank you for your support. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects on macro photography and other photography as well. I do upload a lot of videos on radiant diffuser and DIY accessories in my channel. Please subscribe and stay connected. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.